Hi everyone, it's Mark from Brave Auto International in Japan. It's a Thursday afternoon. I'm at USS Nagoya checking some cars for some customers that are coming up for auction tomorrow. Anyway, this vehicle here, a customer emailed me last night from the UK who is seriously interested in it due to the make, model and the kilometers. This is a Nissan Skyline R33 GTR Nismo 400R. So if you know anything about them, you'll know how rare they are, etc. This car, the start price of this car I think was 6.5 million yen or 6 million yen, and I advised the customer last night that he would need, if it's good, he'll need 10 million yen or more for it. She came back and said yeah, that's fine. He's a regular customer, so no problem. Okay, sorry about that guys, just some arrogant person next to me revving the car while I'm standing with the camera. You could see what I was doing, but anyway. So as I was saying, he's a regular customer, etc, etc. This car sold at auction about a year ago, about 500 k's less than what it has on it now, and it was grade 3.5, and on the original auction sheet it had quite a bit about just bits of rusty, bits of rust here and there, etc, etc. Okay, anyway, long story short, I don't like the car. It's for what it's going to sell for, the price wise, it's definitely not worth it, and I'll show you why I don't like it. We'll start in the engine bay first. You may have seen some of my other videos about strut tower rust problems. This here is not original. This running along here, around in here is not original. Here's not original. Now the whole car, the other side's got the same. Let me just show you that. Now the whole car looks like, to me, the whole car's been painted. That's one thing I know. What it looks like to me, this car's been stripped, completely stripped. It's had rust repairs, and then it's been either sandblasted and then repainted, because all in the engine bay here is not original. None of the paint is. And stupid things that they have, haven't thought about was taking this tag off. You can see the paint there on the edge of the tag. Okay, a little bit of overspray there, and the colour in here is not right. It's slightly off. Now if you look closely here, you may see it and you may not. There's paint on the edge of this, all the way along the edge of this Nismo badge here. Original rivets. So they never took this off, and they never took that off when they've painted in here. But it's 110%. It's been resprayed in this engine bay. You can see it anyway. It's really easy to see. So you can see up here. Maybe you can see or not. See, it's just starting to lift the rust there. So it's like hasn't been prepped properly and then painted over the top. So that's one thing. This here is this looks terrible. I don't know. To the average person, doesn't know much about them, I think it's the cleanest car in the engine bay. But like I say, I know what I'm looking for on these, and this is not original. And for what this make and model is, it needs to be original for the value it's going to be, because I wouldn't want it like this. It's probably the easiest way to put it. Fire it up, because it doesn't sound pretty in the engine either. Whether you can hear that or not, just sounds like a Massey Ferguson tractor to me. Anyway, sounds terrible. So like I say, the whole, I'll drop this down anyway. So here's another classic sign. Okay, see the rust just there on that lip, on that piece of that thing there. All these bolts have been changed. I know this is carbon fibre, but this bracket in here is not, and this would be the original bracket, you see. And here's some other signs as well, just before I drop that. See the rust on that spacer? Come along to this side. The rust on that spacer as well. See the fan, back of the fan down there? It's rusty. Now as for paint job, it's got a beautiful paint job, there's no doubt about it. The paint work around the whole car is absolutely beautiful. Well done. But like I say, for one that's done 14,000 Ks, it needs the original paint. Okay, it's got the original Nismo alloys, and if you look and through them, if you can see clearly, see how corroded they are in there. And if you look at the bolts around the alloys, see how they're going rusty? Well, I bet you these wheels are the original wheels, which they are, and I bet you they have done nothing with these wheels. Okay, so if you get an idea of this, it will give you an idea of what the rest of the body was like. You can see some paint edges, you know, just slightly, but very well done. You can see the edges along there. Just open this up. Now, why I was saying before I reckon this thing's been stripped out and then sandblasted is because it's all been done in around here as well, all around in here. Okay, all around in here, etc. Now if you look here, there's the body paint here. You can see all the line all the way along, and you can see up in here, see where it stops and starts. Go down in there. So this has been painted in here. Okay. Under here has been painted as well. Now in here, it's original, because I couldn't imagine them putting that red sticker there, stamp there. And this is actually original in here. Now if you push this here over, you'll starting to get an idea of what this thing was really like. See? Along in there. So this thing was a rust bucket. It's been tarted up. It's been tarted up pretty well, but there's a lot of giveaways. Just have a look in the fuel flap, eh? Just see what they've done in there. Yeah, see, it's been painted in here. Okay, it should be not shiny, it should be a matte grey in here. Same on the back here, and the sticker's gone from here. I'll show you the interior. We're not going to buy it. I'm going to tell you now not to buy it, and you're a fool if you do buy this vehicle. But I'll quickly show you the interior. Interior is beautiful, absolutely immaculate. Yeah, the seat's just got no wear to it. Okay, 13,106 Ks. Dash is beautiful. Clear. Okay, these are auction sheet. 13,106 Ks, grade 4. The Ks are real, and it's got books with it. The underbody, I've had a look along both sides and at the back. It looks fairly clean under there. It looks actually fairly original. But yeah, I wouldn't buy it. Just definitely wouldn't buy it. Even if it was, maybe if it was 3 million or 4 million, you may. But still, the strut towers are the bits that slow me down on these. You know, but anyway, like I say, this starts at 6 million, and if it was original out of the box, 13,000 or 12,000 Ks, it would get 10 million yen all day long. To whether this one will or not, I'm not sure, but I think whoever buys this is going to be a little bit upset, I think, if they haven't seen it. Anyway, that's Mark from Brave Auto International in Japan, and that was lot number 4481. And I must say, I love the spoiler on these. That is so cool. It's like a carbon fibre. You adjust that lip there. You can adjust that lip too. It's really nice. You can even see, sorry, you can see here they've painted this bracket. It's all been painted here in the back as well. Okay, so yeah, sad. See you later, guys.